Hello guys. Okay, here I will show you basic 3 steps and then I will show you advanced steps to gain your PC performance better. Okay, at first go in search bar, then you should type run. Okay, run. I show you again. This is run and this you click this run. Okay, then you should type 3 is the option to boosting your PC. Okay, here I will again type run and 3 again. Okay, then run 3 again. Okay, now in run I will type prefetch. Okay, I will delete all these files. Okay, delete. Okay, some files are not going to delete it. Skip this. Skips. Okay, then again run. Okay, here type %temp %. Okay, so here I will delete all these files. Delete. Okay, 3 4 3 3. Okay, skip. This is not important. Okay, then I will go there again, run and type 3 again. Okay, now this is the basic steps, and now I will show you the advanced steps to boost your PC. Search advanced system care. Okay, you should download this application. I already downloaded this, so I will show you how to run this. Okay, if after installation these apps you should open. Okay, this is the apps. Okay, this is the front line of the apps: clean, optimize, speed up, protect, toolbox. Just you should click this select all. Okay, select all and scan, and you should click this automatically fix. Okay, then it will automatically boosting your PC. Here is all the things, all the junks files, invalid shortcuts. It will be fixed up. After all this button going finished, it's completed. Okay, this is the video, and if you new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and please like this video. Okay, bye.